Jully Black.
Oh, Canada, our home on a native land.
But here's somebody we need to honor. As an artist, Jully is a truth teller, and she represents how artists are a part of the conscience of society. She created an energetic shift in February when she changed one word in O Canada. We have always been singing it that way, I'm sure. Our home on native land.
I'm grateful. Thank you for welcoming me to your hearts. I didn't realize that my action would garner such a response. But on behalf of the Black community, I say we are one. We're better together.